Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to be a successful trader, and we are going to follow if you have spoken to any of the traders who have traded for several years, you must have heard that patience is a key to be a successful trader, and that is what we are going to focus on this particular price action strategy, and I name it as patience trading strategy. You have to be very patient when taking the trades. You shouldn't be rushing into things. What I mean by that is, the price moves in waves like this, like this, like this. So you shouldn't be looking for buying entries when the price is at its peak. You have to wait for the retracement and then look for the right zone to take the buying trade and then continue with the trend. Okay, this particular strategy focuses mainly on trading with the trend and not against the trend. Why do we do that? Because we know that in a trending market, the trending leg, which is, suppose if it is an uptrend, this is a trending leg and this is a pullback leg, and this is a trending leg, this is a pullback leg. This is what normally happens. The trending leg would be much bigger than the pullback leg, so we focus only on the trending legs and not the pullback legs, which is against the existing trend. Okay, so what do we do? Basically, I have identified some of the stocks that I would be interested in, and I'll be watching all these stocks here. The first one, okay, this we'll skip that one. Let's start with SBI. Okay, the first step that we do is we identify the trend, right? What is the current trend? The current trend is clearly up, right? It's clearly up, we know that. Now what do? We identify the value zone where we would be interested in taking the trade. Because this is an uptrend, we look for only buying opportunities and not the selling opportunities, remember? And previous higher high would be like the best entry zone when it is in an uptrend, right? So the price has gone up, and now when price pulls back to this level, we look for a buying opportunity and then take the trades. Okay, so we don't simply place the buy limit in this zone. We wait for the price action to confirm that there is some buying pressure happening in this particular zone, and then look for an entry opportunity, which is buying opportunity, because we trade with the trend, and then we evaluate the opportunity to see whether it gives us a proper 1:2 risk to reward ratio. If it doesn't give us 1:2 risk to reward ratio, then we are going to skip that. Okay, if price simply goes up from this level, obviously we don't control the market. If it goes up, that's fine, we are not interested in the trade. When price reaches to this zone where we have marked as the value zone or the zone of interest, that is where we'll be looking for a buying opportunity. Okay, so this is about SBI. I have got plenty of stocks here. I might not be able to go through each and every one in this video. I would try to cover as much as possible, but the concept is very simple. We are going to trade with the trend. If it is an uptrend, we look for buying opportunity, and the second step is identifying the zone of interest of the value zone where the professional traders would be waiting, and the institutional traders would be looking basically to enter the market, and that's where we would be entering as well. Okay, going with the big fund managers or institutions where they are interested in. Okay, the next one is Axis Bank. This is also clearly in an uptrend, there is no doubt about it, because it's clearly making higher highs and higher lows. So the zone of interest is this. Okay, if price falls to this zone here, then we look for a buying opportunity and then ride the trend. It's as simple as that. Okay, you just have to follow these simple steps. If you stay with me, then I'm going to assure you that you will be successful and you will be a profitable trader in no time. So just stay tuned with me, and then like, share and subscribe my videos so that it keeps me motivated. So this is all we are going to do. Axis Bank, if it comes to this zone here, then I would be interested in taking the buy opportunity. The next one is Bajaj Auto. This is also in an uptrend, and the zone of interest is this, right? If price comes back to this level, I'll look for a buying opportunity. Okay, the next one is Bharti Airtel. This is clearly in an uptrend. We have identified the trend. Next is identifying the zone of interest, which is like previous higher high. So this is the zone, and I patiently wait for the price to come, drop to this zone here, right, and then give me a nice buying opportunity and ride the trend, ride the bigger wave, not the smaller wave which is against the trend. So I'd be looking for a buying opportunity in this zone here, and you can use any of the entry strategy that you prefer or that you like. And there could be double bottom, or maybe a wick rejection, or maybe I don't know, you could use engulfing candlestick, or whatever the entry strategy that you are familiar with and you're comfortable with. But make sure you do the quality assessment to ensure that it gives you a very good 1:2 risk to reward ratio. I'm going to discuss a lot about the entry strategies in my future videos as well, in this upcoming becoming a successful trader series. So stay tuned with me, and I'm going to assure you that you'll be a much better trader and a profitable trader in no time. Okay, the next one is BPCL. Now this is something not related to this particular patience trading strategy, so I'm going to skip this one. This is something else, and some might have already know this looks like a triangle pattern, but I'm not going to discuss that with you now, because we're going to focus mainly on patience trading strategy, which deals with trading with the trend, finding the zone of interest, and then taking the buying opportunity or the selling opportunity depending on the trend the market is in. Okay, this is clearly an uptrend, right? And then we look for zone of interest, which is the previous higher high. So this is the zone of interest. If it has already started the pullback here, okay, if price comes back here and gives me a very nice entry strategy, then I'd be looking for a buying opportunity. All right, so the next stock is Grasim. This is also in a nice uptrend, right? And then this would be the zone of interest for me. If price drops to this level, I'll be looking for a buying opportunity here. Okay, as you can see, it's a very simple but very effective strategy. If you can back test for yourself or even forward test, you can watch this video and come back after a week and check that again, how the stocks performed, and did it really work or did not work, how many times it had worked or how many times it didn't work. You can check all those for years. I've been trading this for many years now, and it's a very simple but quite effective strategy. That's the reason I'm doing this video, to help you become a profitable trader as well. So stay tuned with me, and we do this every week, and you be part of this journey, and I'm sure you're going to go a long way with just this one particular strategy. And of course, I'm going to go post some more advanced techniques, entry strategies, exit strategies, and then money management, risk management, everything I'm going to cover to ensure that you become a proper professional trader, and also an investor as well, of course. Okay, the next one is HCL Tech. Okay, so this is a zone of interest. If price drops to this zone, only then I'll be looking for a buying opportunity. So you might be wondering, what will you do if price simply goes up from here like this? Then I'm not interested in that particular trade. As simple as that. Okay, if I get an entry opportunity only when the price is within this marked zone, then I'll be looking for a possible buy opportunity. The next stock is HDFC, clearly in an uptrend, and this is a zone of interest I'll be interested in. When price drops to this level, right, when price drops to this level, I wait for the price to drop this level very patiently. That's what trading is all about. You have to have right temperament, patience, and not pull the trigger early and go through the agony of the pullback wave, which will be something like this. And it could easily hit your stop loss, and you can lose a lot of money if you don't enter at the right point. Okay, that's the whole idea of posting this video. Okay, the next one is Hindustan Unilever. This is a bit tricky, I would say. If you are a bit aggressive, you can go for a long trade right after the high has been broken, okay, of the previous candle, or you could wait for a second entry. This is clearly in an uptrend, and this is a zone of interest. Okay, and the price is currently within that zone. If you are an aggressive trader, you can look for buying and ride the trend, or else if you are a bit conservative trader, you can wait for the price to go up a bit and then come back for a retest like this and then look for a buying opportunity. So this is quite interesting at the moment. ICICI Bank again in an uptrend, right? It is clearly in an uptrend, and this is a zone of interest for me. And as you can see, the pullback wave has already started. If it comes to this level, only then I'll look for buying opportunity. In case the price just goes up from this level, then I would not be interested. Okay, as simple as that. Next one is Hindalco. Again the same thing. It's very simple, it's very easy for you to understand, and especially for the novice traders, the beginners should always look for these kind of trades. Okay, just follow me with this. Don't look for any other strategy for the time being. We'll go step by step. This is just one of the strategies I use, and it's very effective. You can look for this trade, and then we'll go through some of the advanced entry and exit strategies as well in future. So stay tuned with me, like, share and subscribe if you haven't done yet. Okay, that keeps me motivated to post these videos quite frequently. That will help you become a successful trader very quickly. Okay, so if price drops to this level, right, only then, and comes to this zone that I'm interested in, only then I look for buying opportunity. Okay, so this is the strategy that I encourage everybody, not just the beginners or novice traders, even for those who haven't been successful, even they have been in the market for quite a long time. Just follow this. Okay, don't do anything, just follow the strategies and steps I have given you, and stay tuned with me, and I'll come up with a lot more advanced techniques, entry techniques, especially if you are struggling with proper entry point. I will help you with that as well. Okay, this is how it is, and how we have got quite a few opportunities here I'll be looking out for, and obviously I cannot go through all these stocks, but the strategy is pretty much similar. Okay, you can just go through all of those stocks and look for yourself. You can back test it, you can also forward test it. You can come back next week and see and how these stocks have performed. Okay, and it has been very useful for me, and it has given me very good profits, this one particular strategy. Okay, instead of trying to master hundreds of strategies, just master one strategy and stick to that particular strategy. Okay, and it will take you to a very high level very quickly. So that's what I'm trying to explain here. Okay, so this is all about it. Okay, we'll go through just one more stock. Okay, Infosys is clearly in an uptrend, as you can see, and this is my zone of interest. If price drops to this level, sorry about that, if price drops to this level, I would be interested in taking a buy entry here. Okay, let's come to this level and look for a buy opportunity. That's all you have to do, and I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe if you haven't done yet, and share with your friends as well. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.